Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use regular expression validator in ASP.NET. The regular expression validator is used to validate the value of an input control based on the pattern defined by regular expression. It allows to validate the sequence of characters like email, phone number, etc. So just drag the regular expression validator from the toolbox and drop it in the web form. And change the error message. Error message will be email format cannot be matched. Okay, now change the for color. For color is red. Okay, now it's done. And validation expression, select validation expression from the standard expression. Validation expression will be internet email address. Select the internet email address from the standard expression for regular expression validator. Okay, it's selected. Let's check. Oh, it's error. Must for the control to validate. For control to validate, select the regular expression, and for control to validate, it will validate the tag 6 for email. Okay, let's check. A, B, C. Click on check. It's not email format, that's why it's displaying the email format cannot be matched. If it's set that XYZ, it's not matched with the email format. Now it's matched with the email format.